How to build a sustainable garden at home, choosing the right spot and soil. The importance of sunlight exposure for your plants. How to test your soil's pH and nutrient content. Choosing the right type of soil for your garden. Planning your sustainable garden. Incorporate companion planting for natural pest control. Choose drought-tolerant plants native to your area for water conservation. Designate space for a compost bin or utilize worm composting for nutrient-rich soil. Setting up your garden. Prepare the soil by adding organic matter like compost or manure. Create raised beds or use trellises for vertical gardening. Install a water-saving irrigation system, like drip irrigation or rain barrels. Natural pest control methods. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings to your garden. Utilize companion planting techniques to deter pests naturally. Create a natural pest spray using ingredients like garlic, chili peppers, and neem oil. Maintaining your sustainable garden. Regularly check for signs of pests and diseases and implement natural solutions. Harvest your produce regularly to encourage continued growth. Rotate your crops each season to prevent soil depletion.